Alright, let's see if we can't make sense of this next one. This should apply to a couple of you guys, or at least philosophically. It says modeling attitudes of college freshmen. It says researchers have surveyed college freshmen every year since 1969. The figure to the left shows the attitudes about some life goals have changed dramatically. The figure shows that the freshman class of 2006 was more interested in making money than the freshmen of 1969 had been. In 1969, 52% of first-year college men considered being very well off financially essential or very important. For the period through 1969 to 2006, this percentage increased by a decimal 6 each year. If this trend continues, I don't know the rest of the words. Let me look in the book. If this trend continues, by which will all male freshmen consider being well off or financially essential or very important? So those are the words. You can see the little table there. What we're trying to do is we're trying to figure out that through 2000, let's see, well, let me go back and read through the problem here. We're trying to come up with what it's going to be like in the future. So, what it's going to be when 100%, I think, of the people feel this way. This continues. Well, all fresh. Okay, so that's what we're looking for, 100%. Okay. So we've got our problem. Here's our problem. We need to come up with our nice little variable of what we're trying to accomplish. So we want to figure out by which year will all male freshmen consider being well off financially essential or very important. Okay. So X is going to be our years. So we'll say X will be our nice little year. Now, what X represents in our problem is not just the year, but it's the year after 1969. And the reason we use 1969 is because that's when our nice little survey started. So that we're going to have to use that in terms of our relationship. And what we're going to do is we're going to say that at the very beginning, okay, at the very beginning, it was 52% of the people felt this way. So we're going to start with 52. Okay, that's going to be percent. So important to realize that this is a number written as a percent. And we're going to add to it decimal 6. So it looks like it goes up 6/10 a year, okay, for every year after 1969. So we'll say X. And then what we're trying to do is figure out when is this going to be 100%. So when is it going to be that every freshman that goes into college is just looking to earn a buck instead of trying to change the world or make the world a better place or whatever it might be. Okay, so let's see if we can't solve this. As you can see, it is a linear equation. There is one variable. So we'll go ahead and subtract 52. And we get decimal 6x is equal to 48. At this point in time, we will go ahead and divide both sides by decimal 6. And when you do that, you will get x to be equal to, I believe it will be 80. And of course, that's not really our answer. What that is for us is that is, going back up here, that's the years after, I guess I should put an S on that, years after 1969. So to figure out what our actual year would be when this might occur, we're going to take 1969 and add to it that 80. 9, 4, 1. So it looks like in the year 2049, that's when 100% of college freshmen will be thinking, hey, I need to go to college because I want to be financially well off.